Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.